Come on in. Let's get it on. Come on in. Let's get it on. It's Tuesday. No, it's Wednesday, huh?
No.
It's Tuesday or Wednesday?
Wednesday.
It's Wednesday. Oh, it's hump day. It's the hump day. It's the hump day. Come on, y'all.
Not the holiday.
It's hump Wednesday. Hump Wednesday. Come on, y'all. Calendar time. Come on, y'all. Calendar time. Come on. Hump Wednesday. Hump Wednesday. Come on, y'all. It's calendar time. Come on, y'all. It's calendar time. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? All right. Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing?
Good.
Y'all good today?
Yeah.
Today is Hump Wednesday.
I'm good.
Let's start.
I'm good.
Your mommy and your daddy see you on the video. Miss Weston see you on the video. Have a seat. And let's get the calendar out. Miss Smith see you on the video. They got to see us do our work, right? All right, let's get our day started. So, it's calendar time. What month is it? What month is it?
December.
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 All right. What's today's date? December the 2nd. December the 2nd. What's the date? December the what? The 2nd. The year is 2020. Y'all look. December matched my shirt. Oh, one of Miss B's favorite colors. Thanks to Miss Alexis, you know. That was so nice of her. 2020. Number 2 is an odd number or even number. It's an even number. Thank you, Adrian. Y'all go to the back. Go to the back. Trace your even. Go to the back. Trace your even. Go to the back. Trace your even. Come on. Trace your even. Go to the back. Trace your even. Go to the back. Trace your even. Come on. Trace your even. Oh, great job. Let's go to the next slide. Eddie Black, you doing it? Carmen Davis, you got it. Jeremy, you have it. Jace, I know you got it. Woo! What is the weather today? Is it stormy? No. Is it sunny? Yes, it's sunny. Let's go around and circle our sunny. Sunny? Good job. Where you sunny? Where you sunny? Sunny? Great job. Where you sunny? Where you sunny?
It's cold outside.
Sunny?
It's cold
Great job.
outside.
Where you sunny? Circle your sunny. Circle your sunny. Circle your sunny. Come on. Circle your sunny. Okay, what's the season?
Whoa.
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 Fall. Circle your fall. Circle your fall. Circle the fall. Circle your fall.
I did it. I beat
Oh, you beat me. Oh,
I
come
beat
on. How the weather outside?
cold.
How the weather outside?
Cold.
How that weather outside?
Cold.
Oh, cold. Great job. Good job.
I beat you.
Good job. Yesterday was. Yesterday was.
You beat me.
Yesterday was. Yesterday was. Tuesday. Yesterday was Taco Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday.
I thought that was
Tuesday.
only garbage instead of tacos.
We don't want the camera to hear that, Adrian. We gotta be nice.
Ooh.
What is today?
Yes, you did it. Yes.
What is today? Hop, hop, Wednesday. Hop, 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 Wednesday.
Those are big
Hop,
feet.
hop, Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Hop, 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 Wednesday. Hop, hop, Wednesday. Hop, 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 Wednesday. You got it? Oh, get it. What's today? Get it.
You loser.
Come on. You beat me. Where your Tuesday? Kenny, where your Tuesday? So where your Tuesday?
I put you. Oh, yeah. Oh, you did.
Now cover your Wednesday.
What?
All right, let's go to the next slide. Oh, we say today is, what's today?
Easy.
It's hop, Wednesday. Hop, Wednesday.
Wednesday.
What's gonna be tomorrow?
Thursday.
Thursday gonna be tomorrow. Thursday. Circle your Thursday. Circle your Thursday. Circle your Thursday. Circle your Thursday.
Now shall become Friday.
How many days kindergarten's been in school? 65 days. 65 days. How many days have kindergarten through fourth been in school? No. How many days have first through fourth been in school? 70. Remember, 5 days more than kindergarten. Okay? How many classmates we have? How many piggies?
12.
And number 2 was an even number. And we're gonna come to. Good job. Good job. Everybody have that? Aiden, Jeremy, Kurt, James. Who else? Carmen Davis. Send us pictures of them Canadas. Talk to y'all later. Happy hump, hump, hump Wednesday. Happy hump, hump, hump Wednesday. Happy hump, hump, hump Wednesday. See you tomorrow. Bye.